Hello and welcome to our channel. Gate reviews are meant to support clear, confident decision making. But even experienced teams can fall into common traps that slow progress, create confusion, or derail promising projects. In this video, we'll cover the most frequent stage gate review mistakes and how to avoid them so your meetings lead to faster, clearer decisions. Mistake number 1. Incomplete or unclear deliverables. Teams often show up without all the required deliverables or with deliverables that aren't clearly presented or decision ready. And that puts reviewers in a difficult position. How to fix it? Use a deliverables checklist for each stage and make sure everything is complete and clearly documented before you schedule the review. Mistake number 2. Presentation-heavy meetings that leave no room for decisions. When long, detailed presentations take over the meeting, there's no time left for actual discussion, alignment, or decision-making. How to fix it? Keep the presentation short and to the point. Share the full materials in advance so the meeting stays focused on evaluation and alignment. Mistake number 3. Sending review materials too late or not at all. When decision makers receive the review pack the day of the meeting or worse, not at all, they can't come prepared. And that usually leads to weak or delayed decisions. How to fix it? Aim to send everything at least 48 hours in advance and include an executive summary that highlights the key points. Mistake number 4, no clear recommendation. Sometimes teams walk through the data, talk about risks, give updates, but never actually say what they're recommending. And that leaves reviewers unsure about what's being asked. How to fix it? Start with your recommendation. Proceed, hold, redirect, or terminate, and then walk them through the reasoning behind it. Mistake number 5, downplaying risks or resource needs. To keep things moving, teams sometimes understate risks or resource caps, but that almost always creates bigger problems down the line. How to fix it? Be transparent. Share the risks, explain what you're doing about them, and be honest about what's needed to move forward responsibly. Mistake number 6, unstructured meetings with no clear outcome. Without a clear agenda or someone guiding the meeting, it's easy for the discussion to drift, time to run out, and the review to end without a clear decision. How to fix it? Use a simple, structured agenda and assign someone to keep things on track. And before the meeting ends, make sure the decision, conditions, and next steps are clearly captured. Gate reviews are meant to move the right projects forward and stop the wrong ones before they waste time and resources. When you prepare well and avoid these common mistakes, your reviews become faster, clearer, and more valuable to everyone involved. Want to learn more? Explore our other videos on stage gate and gate reviews and check out the links below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.